can talk all along. Next to that, another challenge. The 15 challenge is to get out of it. Yeah. Literally go. Yeah, go. Wait, one more thing. Do not open your mouth because there's no air in the slime, so you'll die. Anyways, go. I almost made it. I did it. First place. Second place. Ah. Yeah, I made it. Third place. Fourth. Yeah. Yes, I finally made it. Woohoo! Yeah. 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 No. Yes or no? You're last. Wait, Frederick. Why am I not gonna be in this slime? Because there's only 7. There's no 8. Okay.